everybody, this video is about cherry wood long. The production of stools, that is, with the previous two issues. Video making cherry wood table matching. Bench, the process of making the table was used in the first two issues. The constantly moving fabrics are also open together, and the puzzle is ready. So let's start from the end. Take everyone to experience the black card giant from the first perspective, card size. I replaced it with a large dovetail powder knife to open it long. Dovetail structure of stool. The weather is hot, brush the glue quickly. The spherical shape on the front is made with CNC. What about the bucket surface of the long shield now? It has been CNC engraved. The next thing to do with him is to determine the length and width. The structure of this long lamp is relatively simple, so it soon entered the polishing process. The bench is now complete. His surface was spray painted. About the load-bearing problem of the stool surface, and I thought about it. Because after he dug out this sphere, the thinnest place, it's less than a centimeter. The stool surface looks like this is the only panel. There's actually another one below. It is 3 centimeters in thickness with him. So this stool surface is double layer. Then its load bearing is still guaranteed. At the same time, in order to preserve the lightweight effect of this whole surface, what about the bottom floor? Did a relatively large internal inclination treatment. It's still very slim visually. Thin effect. We've done this many times. If 2 or 3 people are sitting on it at the same time, this stool surface is not available. Bending and sinking visible to the naked eye. I really like this stool myself. So if you have time, I'm going to make one for myself. Then pack and ship it. Bye.